Shalom YouTube, this is your Ak. Y'all is magnified. Coming back with another video. This video just a spinoff from the video I made yesterday about special appearance or appearance period, or just appearing into the court gives jurisdiction. So with that being said, as you can see on the screen, this is the court case that Rick W posted up yesterday that he used, stating that you should go in as a special appearance, but my take on that is different than his. So with that being said, since I got this court case from him, shouts out to him for putting this court case up, because this court case basically points out exactly what I was saying. So again, shouts out to the man for posting that up. So I mean, even though I don't think his method works, but when I can use something, like I say, basically eat the meat, spit out the bones. So I want to use the court case that he put up for more proof of what I was saying about the special appearance. So let's get to it. It says the special appearance gives point to the fact that the respondent entered the Missouri court. Okay, so right there it says it gives point to the fact that the respondent entered the Missouri court, right? Then it says, for the very purpose of litigating the question of jurisdiction over what? Its person. You see? So he wants the respondent comes in and argues jurisdiction over the legal fiction, over the all caps name, over the straw man. You see? Over the legal person. You see, guys? So when the respondent enters into the court, they don't have jurisdiction over him until he does. And then once he does, he questions the jurisdiction over his legal fiction person, which they already have once you agree to give on that person. Once you agree to give in the courts, or once you admit to being that fictitious entity. Now let's continue to read. It says, it had the elections not to appear at all. What had? What is an it? You see? And it can be anything. And it is not a man, it's not a woman. You see? It said it. So the it lets you know that it's a fictitious entity. It's all paper. That's it. That's all, guys. So it says it had the election not to appear at all. So what I tell you about appearance? Once you appear, you automatically give them what? Jurisdiction, because you said that you're what? The all caps name. You see? Only fictitious entities or ghosts can appear. A man or woman cannot appear. We will arrive. You see, guys? We arrive to these destinations. You just don't pop up there. No. You took a journey to get there. You arrived from one destination to the next. Just like when you put in something in your GPS, they say you arrived at your destination. Your destination is now on the right or on the left. But they never say you appeared at your destination. You see? You just don't appear. You see? You always arrive. So yeah, you gotta understand these words and what they're using and what they're doing to you, and they making you believe one thing when it's something totally different. You see, and it's so clear in this court case. That's why when it says the special appearance gives points to the fact that the defendant entered the Missouri court for the very purpose of litigating the question of jurisdiction over its person. I can't rub this in you guys' heads enough. Its person. You see, over what? Over the respondent's person. Who is the responding person? The all caps name. The fictitious entity. The legal straw man. The legal person. Come on, guys. And the next sentence gets even more clear. It had the election not to appear at all. It. Just like, for instance, guys, when you guys go and apply for a job, right? Or anything, any type of government benefits or whatever you're trying to apply for. And they ask you your name, your race, and you write it regular, but they'll turn around and when you receive your benefits or whatever from a job or whatever, your name somehow still ends up in all caps. You see? Like say if you was applying for your driving license. You apply for your driving license, boom, you write your name regular. But when you get it back, it's in all caps. You see? And then not only that, they ask you on the driving license, race. Nah, man. Ain't no such thing as race, but we just mark a race just to go along with that system. Why? To play in the commerce game. So you mark your race, boom, you say black, which is a color, but it really don't make no sense, but you still check black, boom. Okay, after you check black, you they ask you for your sex. It say male or female, right? So you thinking they talking about man or woman, male or female? No, they talking about fictitious corporations, male or female. Like you have sister corporations, you have parents corporations, you have father corporations, you have mother corporations. You see, they're not talking about the living man or the living woman. That's why I say it's male or female. Male or female what? Dog. Male or female what? Cat. Male or female what? They don't tell you. You don't say man or woman. It say male or female. Male or female what? You have all types of males or females. You see? You got male or female species all over the world. What species are you talking about? Be specific. They're not specific because they want you to think that they're talking about you as a man or a woman. No, they're talking about you as a corporation, a fictitious entity, a legal fiction, a straw man. It's so simple and plain, guys. So with that being said, y'all continue to fight. But let's read it one more time. I'm just trying to get it in you guys' head. Let's read it one more time. It says, the special appearance gives point to the fact that the respondent entered the Missouri court. You see, so it gives points to the fact that the respondent entered the Missouri court for the very purpose of litigating the question of jurisdiction over its person. Clear as day, guys. It had the election not to appear at all. So with that being said, guys, when they want you to appear, or they want that all cop name appear, you make them appear. You know what I mean? You make them appear. You don't have to be him, but you make them appear. So with that being said, y'all be blessed. I just threw another bone out there. Shalom, YouTube.